itself, these are all gluten. There's a whole bunch of layers stacked together. So things are engineered, they're stacked together in glue.